And the digital run, what's up, ST, is asking, Facebook analytics is gonna be no more soon, all right? So where do we find frequency, video views, etc.? Okay, it is still there. I mean, analytics is the analytics. Okay, Facebook analytics is the place where you start looking at something similar to Google Analytics, which is something that has been created for a while, but it's no longer in use. But all the metrics inside Facebook Ads Manager will still be there. ST, no big deal, man. Nothing is gonna go away. Don't worry. Everything is still there because if you're looking at frequency, video view percentage and all that, right? Everything is still gonna be inside the Ads Manager. So it's just that the analytics is going away. So a few things are going away in June, like analytics is going away. Facebook analytics is really something for you to analyze traffic, like the omni-channel, so-called traffic movement and all that. When it was introduced to the market, they claimed to be able to track cross-platform so-called traffic movement in a more effective way. However, over the years, it couldn't really gain much traction. That's why Facebook is retiring the product, which is happening in June, if I'm not mistaken, June or July. Anyway, the other thing that is going away is what do we call the Audience Insights. Audience Insights is a tool that some Facebook advertisers depend heavily in discovering new detailed targeting, which is something that I do not agree much. But nonetheless, it is also something that some people love to use, but it's also going away.